As you enter the world of healthcare, now's the perfect time for you to become a part of an international community of healthcare professionals with the Royal Society of Medicine. Whether you're studying a medical degree or you have an interest in health, we can help you to kickstart your career. Become an RSM member and support your learning with free and discounted conferences and webinars spanning over 50 medical specialties. Receive unparalleled resources to help your professional development. Members enjoy unlimited access to a wealth of online resources and medical databases. Our world-class members-only library is a haven for revision and research. Stand out from the crowd and enhance your career prospects with RSM prizes and bursaries. Take advantage of offers from our specially selected partners to give you a helping hand as a student. Wherever you want to go with your career, the RSM is for healthcare professionals by healthcare professionals. Today, being a member of the Royal Society of Medicine is more relevant than ever.